Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add and manage products. First of all, click on Product. Then a drop-down menu with Product List, Categories, and the unit appears. To add product in the product list, you need to define the category first. Go to Category, and click Create. Now fill all the requirements and click Add Category. Let's see how we can add products now. Go to Product List tab. Click on Create New and fill all the requirement. Similarly, you can also add a new unit if it isn't defined already. Adding and managing products have never been such easy. Delta Sales app is the solution you need. Thank you for watching.